Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnav Mishra Deshmukh. Today's topic is multi-threading in Java and today's date is 29 September 22. Now we firstly discuss in the multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading in Java is process of existing and multi-threading is thread is simultaneously and threads it is the lightweight and sub-process of a smaller units of a processing and multi-processing and multi-threading and both are those are achieved in the multi-threading. And we use a multi-threading then a multiple process of a because this thread as the shares the memory and area they do not allocated in the separate of a memory and area of say and memory is constants of a between the threads and least time of a process. Then discuss in advantages of multi-threading in Java. The first it is the does not block the user because the thread are the independent and use performs and multi-threading operation of times. And then second advantages of a multi-threading is the you can be perform the many operations and together the so of the save or time. Then is the third advantages of multi-threading. The threadings are the independent so use the does not affect in the threads and expectations and single thread. Then discuss in the multitasking. The multitasking is a process of existing and multiple tasks is the simultaneously perform and we can be the multitasking is the utilize CPU and the multi-threading can be the achieve the two way. First way is the multi-threading is achieving. It is the process of bias in the multi-threading and multitasking and multi-processing. And then it is the second way is the third is the biased into the multitasking and multi-threadings. Then it is the discuss in the process of bias and multitasking and multi-processing. First is the each of a process that has the address is memory and in the others of a work in each process and the allocations of a memory and then it is the process of heavy weights and cost of communications between the process of a high and switch off from the process to another requires of the sometimes and saving of a looking of a memory updating list etc. Then discuss in the thread bias multi-threading and multitasking. The thread bias multitasking is the thread is share the same address of space and the thread is lightweight and the cost of communication between the thread is low. Then discuss in the what is thread in a Java. The thread in a Java is the lightweight and sub-process the smallest and units of processings and the separated of a path and the thread can be the independence if there are occurs the expectations and one of threads and does not in the affect to the threads and memory area. And as then it is discuss in the Java threads in the class. The Java threads in the class is the first is the void. Void it is the used to the start and expressions in a threads and then it is the void is run it is a used in the action in the thread. Then is the static void is run it is the thread it is the use in uses in specified around and then it is the static thread is the run in reference current and the executing of the object. This is the some discussion of a multi-threading in Java.